as we, future educators, have probably a part of at least some educational transformation that we are carrying today. So what have we been waiting for? But before that, as future educators, what I've changed is to embrace 21st century education and its new curriculum. This 21st century education infuses hopes, expectations, in regards of the higher order thinking skills. It is because this is the era of technology, competition, and evolution. So the question is, why do we need to embrace 21st century education? Because it is a mutual trend with an outcome-based learning, which is the most basic and important aspect of 21st century education nowadays. It encompasses student-centered learning, with the teacher became a facilitator equipped with knowledge and motorized skills.
Yeah, that's right.
Back then, education was totally time-based. Students learn just because of how long they spend in class. Nowadays, it's outcome-based, meaning we care more about the students actually learn and the students what to do. Before, students mainly memorize isolated thought. Think of it as coming, without really understanding. In today's education, the focus is on what's